I was tired of using apps for websites that are not accurate enough or have a lot of limitation for their free plan. So I searched for it and I have found this amazing and free powerful AI. To use it, open your browser and in the search bar type Whisper. This is the tool we are looking for. Open its GitHub page. As you can see, this is OpenAI's product. And you might guess you are facing with a powerful tool. And you're right, this is a very powerful tool. You can install Whisper on your local machine, but if you don't have enough resources, you can install it on Google Collaboratory. To do this, open your Google Drive. Here, I created a folder called Whisper. Top left corner, click on New, click on More, and find Connect More Apps. The search bar type Collaboratory, and then select it. Then click on this one. Then click on Install, and click on Continue. Here it asks you to access your Google account. Click on your Google account and click on Continue. And here it says it's connected to your Google Drive and installed on it. Click on OK and close this window. Now, click on New and go to the More. Then you can see Google Collaboratory here. Click on it and then it will open a new tab in your browser. After loading, we first need to go to the runtime and then click on Change Runtime Type. Change it to T4 GPU and click Save. Now head to the GitHub page of Whisper in order to install it on your Google Colab. Copy this line. Here, click on this box and first type exclamation mark. Then, paste copied code here using Ctrl-V and hit to run. Wait for it to execute this command. It takes a couple of minutes. Okay, the first command executed successfully and you can see we installed Whisper on our Google Colab. For the second command, click on Code. Now we have empty box. Go to the GitHub and we want to install FFmpeg on our Google Colab. So copy this line and go to Google Colab. And here, first type exclamation mark, then paste it using Ctrl-V. Okay, now run this command and wait for it to be installed. Okay, as you can see, FFmpeg has been installed successfully. Now click on Code to create new code box. Now head to the GitHub. As you can see in documentation, Whisper have 5 models. It ranges from tiny to large model. If you need to accurately transcribe your video, you should use large model. But pay attention, it takes a lot of resources and time. But smaller models are faster but less accurate. For this video, we use medium model. To use Whisper, we type this command. The default language for Whisper is English. But if you want to assign your own language to the Whisper for transcription, you can type -- language and then your language name after that. You can also tell Whisper to translate it into the English after transcription by typing -- task translate after that. To see which languages does Whisper support, open this file. All languages that are supported by Whisper are listed here. You can find its name and type it in your commands. Okay, head back to the GitHub and for transcribing, copy this command. Go back to the Colab and first type exclamation mark, then paste the command here by using Ctrl-V. Transcribe my files, I should enter their names here. I will delete default names and I want to upload my file to my Google Colab. So to upload this file into the Google Colab, I will click on this icon and find my file and select it and click on open. Here it says Colab will delete all of your uploaded or generated files after closing Colab. So make sure that you download all of transcription generated by Whisper. Click on OK and wait to upload file. After uploading file, we see that here. To transcribe that, we should just type its name in front of Whisper. Make sure that you don't forget to type file extension. Here you can see it finds it automatically. Okay, now hit the run. The transcription process can take up seconds or minutes complete based on your file length. You can see that it detected this video's language as English and it starts to transcribe it. It even puts timestamps for each sentence. Hey, now you can see the 4.5-minute video was done in less than a minute. Those who have worked transcription before know how challenging and time-consuming a video of this duration can be. After that, you see that some files appear here. These are different formats of transcription. If you don't see this file, click on refresh and these files will appear here. You can use these different formats in different places. For instance, for using in YouTube, you can use SRT. Just click on options and click on download. After downloading, you have it on your computer. You can open and see the transcription file. You can use it wherever you want. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss new content.